When a function is given in terms of two functions, whereby the relationship between the two functions is a division sign, then we can only differentiate that using quotient rule. So quotient rule states that if given f of x, which is given in terms of two functions as u of x over v of x, where both u and v are differentiable, and v is not equal to 0, then the derivative of that will be found by taking the derivative of u times v times the derivative of v times u of x over v of x squared. Example, we have two examples here. So starting with the first one, you realize that y is written in terms of two subfunctions, which are 6x raised to power 8 and 3x raised to power 5. The relationship between these two subfunctions is a division sign, because over means division. That means we shall use quotient rule. Now we start by splitting this into two parts. We say let u be equal to the function that is on the numerator side, and the v be the function on the denominator side. Differentiate each one of them separately, so you will get u prime, which actually means du over dx, being equal to, when you differentiate this, you get 48x raised to power 7. And when you differentiate this, you will get 15x raised to power 4. That's the derivative of v, or v prime. So you now say dy over dx, or y prime. Remember, it means the same thing. Whether you are talking about y prime or dy over dx, it means the same thing. It means the derivative will be given by u prime times v minus v prime times u. So you have had this times this minus this times this over v squared. Our v is 3x raised to power 5, then we square it. Now we open the brackets on the numerator side. We shall have y prime being equal to this times this, giving us 144x raised to power, because this x raised to power 7 and x raised to power 5 are multiplied under the laws of indices. We add them, we add the powers, so that will be x raised to power 12 minus this times this gives us 90x raised to power 8 plus 4, giving us 12, over 3 squared gives us 9, and then 5 x raised to power 5 squared means we multiply the powers considering the laws of indices. That will give us 9x raised to power 10. Now we can simplify the numerator, and that will give us 54x raised to power 12 over the denominator, which is 9x raised to power 10. Now from our basic knowledge, we know that this one means divide by, so this is like 54x raised to power 12 divided by 9x raised to power 10. So under the laws of indices, we shall have to divide 54 and 9, we get 6. As for the x raised to power 12 divided by x raised to power 10, we subtract their powers, and that gives us x raised to power 2. In the second question, you also note that y is written in terms of two subfunctions, which are x raised to power 4 plus 5x cubed plus 6x squared. That's one function, and the other one is x squared. What connects the two is a division sign, because we know over means divide by. Therefore, quotient rule will still be used. So we shall split it as let u be equal to the numerator function and v be the denominator function. Differentiating each one of them, you will get u prime being equal to 4x cubed plus 15x squared plus 12x, and for this one, v prime will be 2x. Then we use the formula. We say y prime will be equal to u prime times v minus v prime times u all over the denominator, which is v squared. Now we open the brackets on the numerator side, so we shall have this being equal to 4x raised to power 5. We only added the powers because these are indices having the same base. Then this times this gives us 15x raised to power 4. This times this gives us 12x cubed minus 2 times this will give us 2x raised to power 5. Then minus this times this will give us minus 10x raised to power 4. And this times this will give us minus 12x raised to power 3. The denominator, for the denominator side, we shall have to multiply the powers considering the laws of indices. That gives us x raised to power 4. Now, putting like terms together, we have 4x raised to power 5 minus 2x raised to power 5, giving us 2x raised to power 5. 15x raised to power 4 minus 10x raised to power 4 will give us 5x raised to power 4. 12x cubed minus 12x cubed cancel. Then we have the denominator, which is x raised to power 4. Now, if you look at this one keenly, you realize that you can factorize x raised to power 4 outside. So that means we shall have x raised to power 4 factored out. Then this divided by this gives us 2x plus this divided by this gives us 5 over the denominator, which is x raised to power 4. Now this x raised to power 4 will cancel with this one. So what remains is what's in the brackets, and that becomes the derivative of the function that we are having. Thank you.